Lighting does more than just brighten a room, it defines the mood, the ambience, and even the personality of your space. In 2025, statement lighting isn't just about function, it's about making an impact. From bold chandeliers to minimal pendant lights, these trends will help you transform your interiors and illuminate your home in true style. Let us explore the latest statement lighting ideas that can take your home from ordinary to unforgettable. 1. Sculptural chandeliers, the centerpiece of modern living. Chandeliers are back, but not the traditional crystal ones you might remember. In 2025, it's all about sculptural shapes, artistic forms, and creative materials. Think asymmetrical metal frames, geometric glass globes, or cascading LED branches that double as art pieces. They bring elegance and drama to living rooms, dining areas, or even bedrooms. Design tip: hang a sculptural chandelier over your dining table or staircase, it instantly becomes the focal point of your space. 2. Minimalist pendant lights, simple, sleek, and stunning. Less is more this year. Minimal pendant lights with clean lines and soft finishes are trending in modern interiors. They add just enough flair without overpowering the space, perfect for kitchens, islands, or workspaces. Matte black, brushed brass, and frosted glass finishes are especially popular for that sophisticated look. Pro tip: install multiple pendants at varying heights for a dynamic, layered lighting effect. 3. Smart and adjustable lighting, technology meets design. In 2025, smart lighting takes center stage. From voice-controlled dimmers to color-changing LED strips, lighting now adapts to your mood and moment. You can set warm tones for relaxation or cool lights for focus, all from your smartphone. This trend is perfect for creating personalized atmospheres in every room of your home. Design tip: integrate smart lighting with your interior theme, soft golden hues for cozy areas and cooler tones for workspaces. 4. Nature-inspired fixtures, organic beauty indoors. One of the most elegant lighting trends for 2025 is nature-inspired design. Fixtures made from bamboo, rattan, wood, or stone bring a sense of calm and organic warmth. These lights create soft, diffused glows that pair beautifully with earthy decor styles like Japandi or modern boho. Tip: choose handmade or woven fixtures to add texture and natural character to your interiors. 5. Layered lighting, function with flair. A truly stylish home doesn't rely on a single light source. The new trend is layering lights, combining ambient, task, and accent lighting for a balanced and inviting atmosphere. For example, pair ceiling lights with table lamps and wall sconces to highlight depth and contrast in your design. Design tip: use warm ambient lighting for coziness, and directional lighting to highlight artwork or architectural features. 6. Metallic and glass finishes, reflective elegance. Shiny surfaces are making a strong comeback in 2025. Polished brass, gold, chrome, and smoked glass fixtures add luxury and sophistication to any setting. These reflective elements amplify light while acting as stunning decor pieces themselves. Perfect for living rooms, hallways, or even luxury bathrooms. Pro tip: combine metallic fixtures with neutral tones to keep your interior balanced and modern. 7. Hidden lighting, the subtle statement. Sometimes, the most powerful design is the one you don't notice immediately. Recessed LED strips, cove lighting, and undershelf illumination are trending for their clean, modern aesthetic. They create soft glows that define shapes, edges, and pathways, adding a futuristic feel to your home. Tip: use hidden lighting behind mirrors, under cabinets, or along ceiling edges for a luxurious visual effect. 8. Oversized floor lamps, bold, functional, and artistic. Oversized floor lamps are no longer just for light, they're design statements. These lamps bring artistic personality into living rooms and bedrooms, often replacing smaller decor elements. Curved arms, sculptural bases, and large domed shades create a dramatic yet cozy vibe. Pro tip: place a statement floor lamp beside a sofa or accent chair to create a comfortable reading corner with flair. Lighting is the soul of your interior design. It shapes how your space feels, functions, and even inspires. In 2025, statement lighting is all about blending artistry with innovation, turning every corner into a masterpiece. For the latest in modern chandeliers, designer pendants, and smart lighting solutions, visit fixitdubai.ae. Your one-stop destination for elegant interior lighting and home decor trends. Illuminate your world with style and sophistication only with Fixit Dubai, where design truly shines.